Today I'm going to quickly show you how you can set up an applique inside of Stitch Artist using one button. Step one is always going to be to pad your outline, and this is pathing the outline for said applique, right? Once you're happy with the path that you've created, all you quite literally have to do is come up over here to this button, and when you hover over it, it says Applique. Click it. At this point, you will have this brand new properties pane where you can make all the adjustments to the applique that you want, such as changing the finishing stitches to a satin. Other options that you have are to insert stitch lines for your position and your material tack down. Those are literally boxes that you either check or uncheck depending on what it is that you want to accomplish. Now, you can make some modifications to your top stitching, such as the density and the stitch length. If you're wondering, Drea, why is there only one object in the objects pane? How do I know what other stitches are going to stitch out in this applique? The answer will be found in the color chips. So if we look over here at the color chips, you'll notice that it says applique position and applique material. Now that mirrors these check boxes that I checked off. So if I say do not want to have a material tack down, say perhaps you are doing the HTV glitter and you don't want that, you just want to go straight to the satin and then do the tear away HTV glitter method, you could opt to take off this material check. Now, what does that mean here? Now when you come back to the color tab, you'll notice that there's only going to be two colors. One is going to be for the position tack down, so that is your placement stitch. And then you have the second color chip, which represents the finishing stitches, which in this case are going to be satins. The applique button is available in Stitch Artist Level 1, and there is more than one way to create an applique. This one is just a way that's easy for newbies to be able to set up an applique inside of Stitch Artist. Now, if you're interested in how I set up an applique inside of Stitch Artist, note I do not use this button, and just know the way that I also set it up is only using Level 1 tools. If you are interested in purchasing Stitch Artist or anything from Embrilliance, please help a girl out. I would love if you used my affiliate link. All the links for everything Drea can be found in my bio, including where you can schedule one-on-one sessions to learn Stitch Artist from yours truly.